Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add products to your Shopify store. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. After choosing Shopify as the powerful e-commerce platform to help you kick off an online business, you should definitely start uploading items to Shopify to launch the store as soon as possible. First, if you don't have a Shopify store yet, visit the Shopify homepage and sign up for a free trial. Or, if you already have a Shopify account, log into your Shopify admin dashboard to add new products to your store. Navigate to the product section and tap Add Products button. This is the most important step in this guide. You can begin adding information to your product page. On the product title, your product title should be short and memorable. It doesn't have to contain all the details as those will be in the description. On product description, this part must cover the emotional and rational reasons customers should add the products to their cart. Remember who your target audience is and list how this product can help them. This section has a rich text editor, so use it to emphasize the important information and impress your customers. Let's continue the process by adding the media to your Shopify product. On product media, let's upload or drag and drop the product media, images, video, 3D models, and files that best showcase what you're going to sell. Your product media is crucial in keeping them engaged on your website. Product media, like images, will directly affect customers' buying decisions. A successful product image enables customers to image the products like without touching it. On product category, also don't forget to filter the product for a specific category for selling purposes and showcase it in the storefront to improve search, filters, and cross-channel sales. Now, remember to set reasonable prices based on your brand positioning. When setting prices, let's also think about discounts. Shopify allows users to set the time when customers can apply the discount code. Then, publish products and view on store. The preview option helps you to see the preview of your products so that you can perform product updates if there are any issues. You can edit the product by returning to the first step. Remember to quickly review all the informations of new items added before clicking the Save Product button to enable Shopify product visibility. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.